A much-awaited sequel to the 2022 release of the first Nothing phone is called the Nothing Phone 2. Although it had some performance issues, the Nothing Phone 1 was renowned for its distinctive appearance and features. Android Authority claims that the price of the phone drew criticism, but after several price reductions, the Nothing Phone 1's price was gradually accepted by the market. The Nothing Phone 2 will be an improved model, the company claims, and it will address the problems that the first generation had upon release. To that end, this video reviews the Nothing Phone 2 and all that is currently known about it, including its release date, price, appearance, specifications, and other details. The launch date is not unofficially confirmed, and it also stated that the Phone 2 will receive 3 years of software support, plus an additional year of security updates. A tentacle makes an unspecified appearance in the launch event teaser video, along with the phone's glyph light panel on the back, which is similar to the one seen on Nothing Phone 1. One of the selling points of the mobile phone was its appearance, the Nothing Phone 1. The transparent backed appearance and glyph lighting of the Phone 1 contributed to its distinctive aesthetic. It appears that the Phone 2 will have a similar transparent backed appearance and some rounded edges, based on the teaser video made by Nothing. The Carl Pei-founded company Nothing will release its second smartphone, the Nothing Phone 2. According to Android Police, the manufacturer of the Phone 2 has covered each individual component with a plate in either white or black. This makes the back appear cleaner. The report also states that the Phone 2's chassis will be made of aluminum. According to 91 Mobile, the Phone 2 will be different from the Phone 1, and according to leaked renders published by The Verge, the Phone 2 has a curvier appearance that more closely resembles the Phone 1's successor. Additionally, according to Android Police, this device will have LED strips on the back to make it stand out. Here is what we currently know about this phone, though we anticipate learning more in the upcoming weeks. We can anticipate the Nothing Phone 2 to have a 120Hz adaptive AMOLED display, per report from My Smart Price. The Nothing Phone 2 will reportedly run on a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, according to TechRadar and My Smart Price, and it will reportedly have 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. This device will probably perform worse than flagship phones equipped with a new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC, the Red Magic 8 Pro series, iQOO 11 series, Moto X40, Xiaomi 13 series, and even the Redmi K60, currently all have the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. The Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip that will power the Nothing Phone 2 is less powerful than this one. The Nothing Phone 2 will therefore probably perform worse than some of these flagships. In comparison to the Phone 1, which had a limited battery life, the Phone 2 is anticipated to have a longer battery life. According to a report on Android Authority, the device will have a 4700 mAh battery under the hood to power its interior lighting. The display size and camera specifications of this device are currently unknown. The Nothing Phone 2 should be a respectable phone that seeks to fix the Phone 1's performance issues. It ought to face off against fully featured flagship devices in the market. The transparent backed appearance of the Phone 2 will be similar to that of the Phone 1, but with rounded edges. Better performance and a longer battery life are anticipated from this device. Additionally, it will put more of an emphasis on recycled and bio-based materials. On July 11, 2023, the Phone 2 will be made available worldwide with a suggested retail price of $600 or less. Even though the Phone 1 had some flaws, it is still quite appealing, especially in light of the price reductions. The Phone 2 is anticipated to be an even better phone. What do you think about the new phone? Write the rumors will be real or not. Have a nice day and see you soon.